Chapter 4, Auga, you have to go.
Yeah.
Go where? What do you mean by you have to go?
So, really, you have to go. No one can reject all. First of all, you've realized it was not supposed to be this way. Okay, you've cried. And then you've realized, oh, rejection
is protection. Yeah.
Now you have to go. You have to move on. Actually, chapter, I based it on the story of Lot's wife. Lot's wife, Ray, nimerirwo makiume kuria Sodom and Gomorrah for God to destroy it. Na makirwo magithie matikarore
na thutha.
Uria warorire atwekire ki?
Ihiga ria cumbi.
Ihiga ria cumbi ricamaga atia?
Ndirecia ni iruru.
Very bitter. That's it. You see, if you don't go,
if you continue looking back,
you will be very bitter. Sometimes even God is telling you to go to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. But
when
you keep looking, ogotora hau uri kihiga gia cumbi. Very bitter.
Move.
And
you're full of bitterness.
Good.
Ono ngikoro wina wendo gwetereire mwena uyu ungi ndungiwona.
Urio hau very bitter. Uraikara. You will be like Lot's wife, a pillar of salt. Kwa jane pillar. Very bitter. So you have to go without looking back.
Wow.
Yeah.
And pillar no nira signify uria wina guo ngoro waga guthie.
Yes.
Toka uru kanini. Wina so much bitterness.
Exactly.
No rebleedagira ginya mwana uyu aciara.
Actually, there is something I've come to realize lately. An unhealed parent is the first and biggest enemy to the child. The first and biggest.
And the biggest enemy. Mwana ucio angikanagia childhood traumas agakora cirutite kuma hari their bitter mother or bitter father.
Yeah, of course. You are a pillar of salt. The only thing she will know is
bitterness.
No sweetness of life.
Wow.
Yes.
Did you know that, Mwiroreri, by the way? That's quite insightful, yani. Ndirecirite oguo that if you keep on looking back, you become very bitter.
Yes.
Just like the Lord's wife. Watueka stagnant, ndugiona kindu kiega kibere yaku. You can't walk towards the goodness area iri bere yaku. Uturaga haria wihuraga uhuraga mark time. Wow.
Weta kihiga no me kihiga guti handu githiaga. Andu moka magagikinyanga. They go magitiga hau. You will never see good progress.
I'm very sure to me aria waririe nao thutha wa kuheana rugano rwaku nimakwiraga ta uria aingi ao manjiraga ni ndigimwohera ndigimwohera ni. Why have you talked about, of course ni ndarugirira chapter ingi Mwiroreri because I want you to have this book, but ni warite ohoro wa forgiveness. Why? Because
forgiveness, do you know, it benefits you. The benefit is onto you than to the one you are forgiving. Todo uta forgive tere, you will always be there. Urituraga hau. Do you know, let me tell you something. When I decided to forgive, nothing about him affected me anymore. But without forgiving, gutiri undu utakuaffectagi wake. Ukamuona na kou, ukaigua gutahika, pressure ukaigua ni haisha, you know. But forgiving is actually you benefiting. It's never to benefit him or the person who has offended you. Kuohera guku benefit. You are the one we muhitirio niwe ukoragwo na benefit. Tondu we niwe urutagirwo kiuru, he kiuru utaforgivete he kiuru. Monica ingikwira nie ni Ndarogotaga mahiga ngateng'eria mundu na muno witikie.
Ati
ndamuona
ukamuteng'eria na mahiga.
Ngarogota mahiga you know.
Umwikirie.
No ajikire uru ucio. But you see, when you forgive, you are a very, you know, peace. Peace comes with forgiveness, and you are free, you know. So, to him, I don't know if there is any benefit, but to me, there is benefit. Ati ona ingemuona, nyonaga tari just a normal person.